So today I'm sharing some luxury skincare products that are actually worth the investment. Formulations that are innovative, that are backed by science, and that are proven to deliver real results. And these are my most used Luxe products as of late, the ones that I use on a daily and weekly basis. And I will continue to purchase these over and over because they are that good. And again, they deliver real results when you are consistent with them. So I do have discount codes for a lot of the brands that I am sharing in this video. So of course I will have those on screen as well as linked in my description box below. And I will link all of the products that I'm sharing in this video as well below for you in my description box. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about Luxe skincare that is worth the price tag. So this is the Calecim Professional Serum. This is next level, super innovative, backed by science, and one of the best anti-aging serums I have truly ever used. This is actually the next best thing to human growth factors. This contains over 3,000 proteins like peptides, growth factors, exosomes, and this is going to target all skin concerns, targeting fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture, skin brightness, overall clarity, and rejuvenating the skin, stimulating collagen, repairing that skin, and speeding up that healing process with our skin as well, and just keeping it looking youthful. Now, this is actually extracted from the umbilical cord of a baby red deer, which is why people call this the baby red deer serum. Now, this is humanely done and free range, humanely done. And again, this is the next best thing to human growth factors. And you want to be strategic on how you use this because yes, this is a 5 ml size. This is the biggest that they sell, but a little bit actually goes a long way, and you don't necessarily have to use this every day either. You may just want to use this once a week or once or twice a week, whatever you want to do. But make sure that you exfoliate your skin really well before you use this. Any type of dead skin or flakiness on your face, this will not be able to penetrate into your skin. Most of your skincare products won't be able to penetrate and do what they have to do if you have a layer of dead skin in the way. So make sure that you do a really good exfoliant, maybe like on a Sunday night, and then use this right after you've exfoliated, and then go in with your serums and skincare routine after that. Or you can use this after microneedling, derma stamping your skin, or after you have derma rolled. And I do like to do this as well. And I do have a derma roller from Calecim that was sent to me actually in one of those gift bundles back during the holidays. So I will use this, and I actually store it in this for cleanliness to keep it nice and clean. So I will sometimes derma roll my skin maybe like on a Sunday night, and then I will use this right after, because of course when you derma roll, microneedle, or derma stamp, it's going to allow this to penetrate into the skin because you've just created little micro channels on your face, like little holes, right? And this performs even better when you have just done that. And this has really improved my skin. I just feel like my skin looks a lot more refreshed, more rejuvenated. This will help to firm the skin and, like I said, stimulate collagen over time. It really is a nice treat to do once a week or once or twice a week. You could use this every other week if you wanted to. It just depends on what you want to do. But just remember, the more consistent, the better. And start with 1 or 2 drops at a time. When you get this, it actually comes with a dropper, so you'll just spin off this lid, put the dropper in, put 1 or 2 drops into the palm of your hand, and then use your fingers and then dab it into the product and spread it all over your skin, and do that. Believe it or not, it actually goes a very long way. So start with 1 or 2 drops and go from there. See how far it spreads for you. And if you need to add another drop or 2, then do that. But don't overuse this because you will go through it really quickly. And like I said, it does go a long way and it spreads really nicely, and it's not sticky or tacky. It is absolutely wonderful. And I do have a 15% off discount code with Calecim. So of course I will leave this on screen and in my description box below. I do have another product from Calecim, the Eye Contour Lifting Cream. There's actually a lot of products from this brand that I really love that I feel is worth the price tag, but I just wanted to share these 2 products in this video because these are the 2 that I am truly the most consistent with, that I use all the time. And this eye cream I use twice a day. If I'm not using this twice a day, I am at least using this once a day every single day, because this is the most advanced eye cream I have truly ever used. This also contains that PTT6 technology. All of the Calecim professional products contain PTT6 just like the professional serum that I just showed. And this is the ingredient that contains over 3,000 proteins like exosomes, peptides, growth factors. And this is going to help target all eye concerns, whether you have dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, crepiness, loss of firmness, you want that brightness. It's going to improve all of these eye concerns. And I think that this is one of the best eye creams on the market, truly the best I have ever used. And I have really seen a big difference with this since I've been consistent with it since 25. I've been using this since, I don't know, summer, fall of 25. This is actually my second one, and you don't need much. A little bit goes a long way, and I apply it to both eyes around the entire eye contour area, and I also apply it to my lids as well. So this has really firmed the skin around my entire eye area. It keeps it nice and smooth and soft, really refreshed looking, and it just looks a lot brighter as well. I think this is game changing. So if you're looking for a really good eye cream, then this is one to look into. Yes, eye creams are not necessary to have in skincare, but I am somebody that loves a good eye product. I always want to keep my under eyes looking as youthful as possible, keeping the under eyes nice and bright as well. And this is the one that has been doing it for me, and I just can't get enough. This is the Dr. Sebagh Deep Exfoliating Mask. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. This is the product that you've never heard me talk about here on my channel, and I just recently started using this, and I am truly obsessed. Of course, there's other exfoliants that I have talked about on my channel that I really love using, but I wanted to try something different, something that is a mask that I can wash off, and something that truly gives that deep exfoliation for when I need it. And I've been using this prior to the Calecim professional serum because this will melt the flake off your skin. If you have any type of dry, scaly patches on your skin, this melts it right off, and it gives this instant glow to your skin after you've rinsed it off. Your skin doesn't feel stripped or tight because there's a lot of moisturizing ingredients in here that truly nourishes the skin. And when you rinse your face, you feel that nourishment, but also your skin is glistening. Like your skin just looks so rejuvenated. Now this has lactic acid and azelaic acid. Lactic acid is truly one of my favorite AHAs because it's in the middle between something that is really harsh, like glycolic acid, and something that is really gentle, like mandelic acid. And I just love this ingredient so much. It's well tolerated on my skin. And azelaic acid, although there's just a mild exfoliation property to azelaic, it's more for redness, evening out that skin tone. Perfect for those that have acne prone skin like myself and that struggle with post acne marks. Azelaic acid does a really good job to calm the skin but brighten the skin at the same time. And this is exceptional. This is truly 10 out of 10. You want to leave this one on for about 3 to 5 minutes. It does have a little bit of a tingling sensation when you have this on your skin. They do have a sensitive formula, and I do have that one, and I can leave that one on for about 15 minutes or longer. It really is super gentle, but if I want that deep exfoliation, like I said, and I truly want that glowy skin, this is the one that I'm reaching for. But I leave this one on about 5 or 8 minutes. And it smells really nice as well. There is a bit of a fresh, fruity scent to it. It's quite nice, and it feels very refreshing when you're using this, and it feels nice when you have this on your skin as well. But I use this at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, and I just love the way that it makes my skin look right after I have washed my face, and it just preps your skin for your serums, and it allows everything to penetrate and perform better on your skin. So I will link this one as well as the sensitive option below for you for your reference. The next luxury product is Red Light Therapy. This is an investment, but I promise you, this will work when you are consistent. I use this literally every single day. I don't skip a day. And if I do, I am usually unwell because this is a big part of my everyday routine. I use this mainly in my morning routine, but if I'm not using this in my morning and I don't have time, then I will use it in my nighttime routine. And this has really improved my overall complexion. It gives that overall brightness. It helps to even out your skin tone, giving more of that even tone tone. It helps to stimulate collagen, softens and prevents fine lines and wrinkles, and it's clinically proven because of the wavelengths that CurrentBody uses. And this is a 10-minute treatment that you can do every day or just use 3 to 4 times per week. I mean, 3 to 4 times per week is sufficient, but if you want to use it more often than that, then feel free to do so. It is not uncomfortable at all. It's just a 10-minute treatment that I do before I apply my skincare products. So make sure that you use this on clean, dry skin and just be consistent. And so this is the Series 2 mask and neck and deck. Prior to using this, I was using the CurrentBody Series 1, and I've been using Relay Therapy for over 4 years. I actually might think we're on 5 years right now. And I've never removed it out of my routine. I've just upgraded my masks over the years with different technologies. And with the Series 2, this contains more LED bulbs. It also contains deep near infrared along with red and near infrared light. And I can't recommend this enough. This has really made a big difference with my skin, and it's honestly a great product to rejuvenate the skin as well. So I do have a 10% off discount code with CurrentBody, which of course I will leave below for you. But if you've been wanting to try an LED mask, try the CurrentBody one. This does not disappoint. Another device that I really love that I feel is worth the investment is microcurrent. And I really love the Ziip Halo, and I've talked a lot about this in the past. This works at a muscular level as well as a cellular level. So it helps to give that facelift, basically. It helps to lift your facial muscles and contour everything the way that you want it to. There's many ways that you can use this. So I would actually recommend to download the free Ziip Beauty app, and there's a lot of step-by-step tutorials on there, and you can use this at the same time while watching those videos. And you can depuff with this, so you can go back and forth underneath the eyes to depuff. You can use this around your mouth and lips to treat lip lines. There's a lot of ways that you can use it. And so this is like giving your facial muscles a little workout. It helps to stimulate blood flow, and it helps to stimulate those facial muscles and training the muscles to be lifted and contoured. So it's like a little facelift in a device, basically. And you can lift the brow, you can have that nice snatched cheekbone area as well as the jawline, and you want to use this on clean skin, but you have to use this with a conducting gel, which of course Ziip Beauty has a lot to pick from. And then you just go to town, and you can use this every day. You can use this 2 to 3 times per week in your morning or nighttime routine. And then eventually, when you get really consistent with it, you may only need to do touch-ups like once or twice a week, because the results actually last quite a bit. Within a couple of days, like I still see those results within 2.5 days. And then once I start to see that everything's kind of, you know, falling back into place, then I will use this again, and then it livens everything up, and then I'm good for another 2.5 to 3 days. So at the beginning, you want to use it more often, but then over time, you may just want to do touch-ups, whether it's 1 or 2 days a week or 2 to 3 times per week. It's totally up to you on what you want to do. But you can use this in the morning, you can use this at nighttime, and I do like to use this at least 2 to 3 times per week, and I always love my results every time I use this. And I do have a 10% off discount code with Ziip, so of course I will leave that below for you. This is the Alleys of Skin Multi-Peptides plus GF Advanced Lifting Serum. This is one of my favorite products from the brand, and one of the products that I have used the longest and been the most consistent with. I can assure you that this serum performs in firming the skin. It helps to stimulate collagen. It just gives that nice overall youthfulness to the skin. It adds that nice glow. It's really hydrating, it's plumping, and it's a great serum to pair up with other actives like copper peptides, other types of peptides. You can use this with tretinoin, with retinaldehyde, or retinol if you wanted to. So I would recommend to use this before your retinol or before your tretinoin. So because it's a serum, use this prior to cream-based products, and it can be used every day, twice a day. And I just love the performance of this. I think I'm on my 3rd bottle of this, and it's amazing. And I usually do use this twice a day, but as of late, I have been using this once a day, and I will use this at least once every day because I just love the way that this performs on my skin, and it makes my skin look so youthful as well. And it's not sticky or tacky. It never pills, and it also sits great with other skincare products, including sunscreen and makeup. So this is a 10 out of 10 serum. If you love your peptides and growth factors, you're going to love this. This also has phospholipids and glycolipids, so these are great ingredients to repair the skin as well as to hydrate the skin as well. There's MSM, which is an antioxidant. I mean, this is very advanced and definitely worth the price tag, in my opinion. And I do have an ongoing discount code with Allies of Skin, 20% off, so I will leave that below for you. And the last product that I'm going to be mentioning in this video is the Niod Copper Amino Isolate Serum. I also really like the Allies of Skin Copper Peptides as well, and I was going to feature it in this video, but I truly have been using this the longest. I mean, I've been using the Niod brand for over 7 years. I feel like it could even be longer than that. But I've been using this serum for so many years that I just felt like I had to mention it in this video because it really is a luxe product that is worth every penny. I know a lot of you like this product as well, and it's also one that I purchase all the time, and you guys see that. I always share it in my empty videos. I always share hauls of me purchasing multiples of these if it's on sale. I mean, this is truly a holy grail. And copper peptides is one of my favorite ingredients to incorporate on an everyday basis or several times through the week. I love copper peptides because peptides are great. I love peptides, but copper peptides truly take your skin to the next level. It firms the skin a little bit quicker. It also helps to stimulate collagen. It has wound healing properties to it, so it helps to speed up that healing process of the skin, just keeping your skin really healthy and radiant looking. And I just love the glow that copper peptides gives my skin as well, especially this product. Now, this is a new product. I don't want to open this up to show you because then I'll be forced to have to use this, and right now I still have the Allies of Skin Copper Peptides, so I'm not ready to open this up, but the texture of this is very thin like water. It spreads so nicely. I mean, a little bit goes a long way, and it never pills, it's never sticky or tacky, and it always sits great with other skincare products, and this can be used every day, twice a day as well. But I will use this with other types of peptides. I will use this with vitamin C derivatives, not ascorbic acid, but derivatives, yes, and I'll also pair this up with hydrating, repairing ingredients also. But this on its own is 10 out of 10. And if you wanted to pair these two up together, this is truly top notch. I like to use these two a lot all the time. You have the growth factors pair up well with copper peptides, plus you have the other peptides in here. I mean, this pairing is a powerhouse for firming and for collagen production. And unfortunately, I don't have a discount code with Niod, but they do have a good sale that usually happens in November every year. But that is a long time to wait if you really want to try this. There is two sizes to pick from. There's a 15 ml and a 30 ml. This is the 30 ml, so the 15 would be a great product to try to see if you like it, but I guarantee you that you will like it and the results will not lie. If you are consistent, you'll see results pretty quickly. So those are the top performing luxe products that I have been obsessed with as of late. These are the ones I can't stop using, the ones that deliver real results, and in my opinion, these are worth the investment, and I can't recommend them enough. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I was able to introduce you to something new. I'd love to hear if you've been using any of these products and which ones are they? Have you been seeing great results? If you have any questions at all, please ask away as well. I'd be happy to help out. And like I said, I will be linking all of these products in order along with discount codes in my description box below. And I will also link up some related content as well, as I've pretty much talked about everything that I've mentioned here in this video except for the Dr. Sebagh exfoliants. Those are new. This was the first time you've heard me talk about them. I can't wait to talk more about it as the months go on. There are a few other products from this brand that I am going to be testing, so stay tuned for that. But I have talked a lot about CurrentBody, the Ziip, Allies of Skin, Niod. I mean, I have so many videos on my channel talking about all of these brands and products, so I will link up some popular videos below for you if you want to check them out. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye guys.